In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a HubSpot partner through their affiliate program. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to joining a thriving network of partners. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point for learning about their software and tools. HubSpot offers a wide range of solutions for businesses, and the affiliate program is just one of the many opportunities they provide to connect and grow with their platform. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you find the affiliate program link. Clicking on this link will take you to the page where you can learn more about the benefits and details of becoming a HubSpot affiliate. Now that you've landed on the affiliate program page, look for the option to become an affiliate. This option is typically highlighted and easily accessible. By clicking on it, you're expressing your interest in joining the HubSpot affiliate network. This program offers many great perks, including earning commissions for referring clients and sharing the power of HubSpot with your network. Once you've clicked on Become an Affiliate, you'll be directed to a registration page hosted by Impact, a platform that HubSpot partners with to manage their affiliate program. Here, click the Sign Up button to start the process. It's a straightforward process aimed at ensuring that you can begin your partnership journey smoothly. After you've initiated the sign-up process, you'll be presented with the affiliate agreement. It's important to review these terms carefully, as they will outline your rights and responsibilities as a HubSpot affiliate. Once you're comfortable with the agreement, go ahead and click on Accept. This step effectively seals the deal in terms of understanding the guidelines and laying the groundwork for a successful affiliate partnership. The process is almost complete. Next, you'll need to finalize your registration by selecting Sign Up with Email. This step will guide you through creating your account, ensuring that you have a personalized portal for tracking your affiliate activities, commissions, and more. Throughout this process, one thing to keep in mind is the value of being part of a renowned network like HubSpot. As an affiliate, you not only benefit from a seamless partnership experience, but also gain access to a wealth of resources and a support system designed to help you succeed. Now that you know how to become a HubSpot affiliate partner, you're ready to embark on this exciting journey. Remember, being a successful affiliate is about creating and cultivating connections. So go ahead, complete your registration, and start sharing the advantages of HubSpot with your audience. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your new partnership.